Hey friends, it's JayRy. Thanks for coming back to the channel. Today we're in La Fortuna in Costa Rica, and this is an amazing adventure. It's a Pure Trek Canyoning. That's the vendor that does these great adventures, and canyoning and rappelling through waterfalls. It is so much fun. It is one of my favorite things to do, and they had such a great setup here. The staff was really fun and lively, super safe, really paying attention to the details, because of course, you know, like with all of the equipment, it's super important that you're safe. But between the location, between the waterfalls, the adventure, the thrill, the adrenaline. I'm such an adrenaline junkie. Like, this place is absolutely killer. So we're gonna talk about it. I'm gonna show you the whole adventure that I took. And thanks for being here. It's JayRyWorld on Instagram and on YouTube. Of course, there's the whole family of channels: JayRyWorld Music, JayRyWorld Costa Rica, JayRyWorld Reviews, all of them. Take a look, see if they fit your interests, and I appreciate you watching. And thanks for being positive too. These are life adventures, and it's a fun time right here on JayRyWorld. Now, let's get to Pure Trek. I went with my friend Ruben, and we had such a great time. So here, take a look and watch our adventure. Thanks for being here. All right, we're here at Pure Trek. This is Gustavo.
Hi, pura vida, everyone.
Yes. All right, what are we doing on this adventure today?
We're gonna do today Waterfall Rappelling to the biggest waterfall in La Fortuna.
This is the biggest one?
That's the biggest one, 165 feet.
All right,
The
awesome.
first one, pura vida.
Thank you.
Coming to Costa Rica.
Perfecto.
As you're going down, the most important piece, if you go really well, is about the position of your body. It's really simple.
Why do they start with the longest waterfall first?
Very good question.
I don't know. Maybe it makes people leave early.
They have more space for others? But I don't know, I haven't seen the edge yet and I'm already nervous though.
Don't pull it up.
Hold it up.
Here.
Turn around your body to the right. You down, please. Like hold it. Like hold it. Okay. Very good.
Look at the pro! Good shit. Excelente.
Estuvo bueno, right?
Yeah.
Man, that...
Yep.
Vete para arriba.
Loco, man. How was it?
Excellent.
I'm glad we started with the biggest first. Where'd she go? This is a hybrid stunt.
Yeah.
It's like dip and then drop. Okay? See? Dip. Don't forget to go through this, okay? Right? Keep down with it. Ready? Keep down.
Biggest splash, huh? I've never done anything like this crazy.
No. Monkey drop. Monkey drop.
That moment, that sensation.
Right.
It was crazy. The emptiness, the fear.
That was so fun. So they drop you and then it's like, oh, they're giving you a break and then
no, they just drop you
into
down.
it. It's such a it's a really unique feeling because it's like you come across like a zip and then it's like a drop.
It's how
but
you say
you're
it's a
still
hybrid.
swinging,
Yeah,
right?
that was
That was
insane.
good.
Good adrenaline, good fun, sir.
5 stars.
Pura vida.
You can go on it underneath. Right?
Como arroz, pero
Go there for a photo, for a picture. So here's what?
I don't know in English how you say seta.
What do you call it?
Seta.
Wow. Thank you for telling me not to eat them. I wasn't planning on it. Goodbye. Everybody stop.
Well done.
Wow, I had such an amazing time, and I think you could tell through the footage of the real reactions that I love adventures, and this is it's very unique. It's not every day that you can safely rappel a waterfall like this with friends and have it be so much fun. I would say that for me as an adventure, it was a 10. As far as like difficulty level, I mean, if you can walk and hike and you don't have like an overwhelming, like outrageous fear, you're gonna love this. It's not like crazy difficult. I mean, as a level of difficulty, I'd give it like a 5. It's not super difficult. It's super fun. And it was difficult to film because of the water. So I did my best. Hopefully you guys got a good dose of it, but go try it out for yourself. It's Pure Trek, and they are located in La Fortuna in Costa Rica near Arenal Volcano, and such an amazing adventure. Thanks to my friend Ruben for helping film and joining the adventure with me. It was so much fun. All right, it is JayRyWorld right here on Instagram and on YouTube. Thanks for being here. Check out all the adventures in Costa Rica and all the other locations where I'm so blessed to be able to travel. Appreciate you being here. We'll see you next time. Bye.